Hi, George. Hi, George. George, hi. George, hi.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and it's been a little while since I've done a review. I can't even remember how long it's been, but it's October now. It just started. It's the 3rd of October, so it's a Monday. We have Shin Green today, and this is a new variety of Shin, and it is, what do you call it, vegan friendly. So all those who are friendly to vegans, tell your vegan friend that now they can enjoy vegan Shin Green, and it's mushroom and tofu. I'm kind of, we'll see. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of, I love tofu. Dump it all in, make it happen. Okay. And how long you want? You wanna go for, God, why did I open this end first? How many minutes? Where's it gotta be on that part? 4 minutes and 30 seconds. A little less, more al dente. A little more, softer. I went on a mini noodle hunt yesterday and found a couple things, as well as mung bean sprouts. Tofu bits, I'm guessing. We'll see how this goes. Then we have 2 sachets of seasoning. This one looks to be the reddish one, which means spicy. There's that. Turn the heat down a little bit. This one's the lighter colored one, more of a green. There's that. What did I say? 4 minutes and 30 seconds. There we go. So, what's been going on? Oh, a little everything. Just been literally beating the crap out of myself. I'm trying to do more walking. The weather right now is particularly horrible. Well, everybody else seems to like it. I'm not a fan. It's October 3rd. Yesterday, it almost hit 80 degrees north of Seattle. It's kind of humid, and it's smoky from forest fire smoke. And it's just, it's gross. I gotta say, I dislike this weather. I'm ready for it to actually shift over to standard fall weather, but I don't know. Last Thursday I went out and I walked 15 miles, and I get home and I feel okay, and then we go somewhere and do something. I just start feeling sicker and sicker. Turned out I got a really bad sunburn. I know, like at the end of September. How do you get it? I mean, I know there's places where it's always hot, but this generally ain't one of them, folks. This is the northwestern tip of the United States. It's just very, very mild. And right now, it's just, I don't like it. I don't like it. But what am I supposed to do? I gotta keep going out and walking. So right now it's 7:30 a.m. I'm trying to crank out 3 reviews. This is what I'm gonna try to do. Crank out 3 reviews, get everything hammered out, get the kids on the bus, go to my walking, come back, and then do a whole bunch of more work, like getting these review things finished up. And then I'm gonna update the big list. I need to get my top 10s going. So yeah, that's my plan, is to crank out a whole bunch of work this week. And if I can pull that off, that will be good. And I think it'll happen. But I'm trying to figure out what top 10s to do. I know people are like really irritated that I haven't come out with a top 10 South Korean list. So send me some South Korean instant noodles. Not the ones made in South Korea that are in export packaging for the US. Because those I can't use in a South Korean list or a US list. This one is made in the United States. This can be on the top 10 US list. I haven't tasted it yet, so it really can't be at the moment. But if I got the, say, the Korean version of Shin, it's all in Korean. It's pretty easy to tell which one's an export version and what isn't. That could be on a Korean top 10. It's a pain. It's like I've kind of decided that that's the way I need to go to make things fair. And that's kind of the way I've leaned before. But now, instead of like, I used to say, oh, this one's an export version from South Korea, but I'm going to call it a South Korea in the thing. And on YouTube, I'll probably still call it South Korea, but on the posts on the website, something that's specifically exported and packaged for sale in the US is going to say United States at the end. And I'll make a note of it, made in South Korea for the US market. So I know, it's a technical intricacy, but oh, that's weird. Huh. Well, I set you. I turned you on. But I'm looking at this, and definitely it's been enough time. So, here is our tofu and mushroom Shin. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not a huge fan of mushroom, and I'm sure this is shiitake, and I'm also not a big fan of that. If I got to do mushroom stuff, portobello. I don't know. I haven't looked. I shouldn't say, because this could have portobello in it. Here is our Shinny Shin Shin. There's the noodle. First taste of the day. Okay. Nice chew, getting a little bit of the heat. That's definitely got to be mushroom. Yep. Yep. Oh. My wife loves mushrooms. She doesn't like heat. I'm looking for you. Is this the tofu? My glasses are fogging up. Ooh. Oh, I see. That almost looks like kitsune style tofu. Let's find out. Maybe that's more mushroom. Yeah. Ugh, that's tofu. Okay, I will be quite honest. This one, not for me. It's just so earthy, and that's my big complaint about mushrooms. And a lot of people like mushrooms. Like I said, my wife is like, she adores that musty, earthy funk, and I just can't get with that. God. Duh. Yeah, I'm excited to try the next one and get the flavor of this out of my mouth. No offense to the lovely folks that make this product, but oh, definitely not my my cup of tea. But it might be yours. A lot of people really like mushrooms. I'll say that probably like 10 more times. You know, there's a lot of people who like the mushrooms. I, however, am just not with it. I'm really not going to go too far. It's vegan. I'm going to let it stay that way. I made eggs, but I think the eggs are going to stay in their egg hutch or whatever you want to call it. Their place where eggs go. Yeah. So there, we're not plugged in. There's no way. It's been like 2 weeks. Rotato, do your stuff. Alright, well thanks for watching. Yeah, that, if you like mushrooms, and a lot of people do, you might like that one. So, yeah, I like the gold one better than the green. And honestly, of all my, I think I like the red and the black. So many colors. Anyways, the next one up is this Sapporo Ichiban Sriracha Yakisoba. And I've actually tried this one already. This one's really quite good. I enjoy it. So that'll be next on Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Have a good one. Bye-bye.